Going on The View together. You know, we and I have both been on The View many times. Nice folks, and we have a lot of fun on the show. And Mitt Romney goes on with Kelly Ripa, nice lady. But we have really, really serious problems facing America. And when you're asked questions like, well, what do you have on your iPod, or do you like Jersey Shore? I think to myself, are you kidding me? We have $16+ trillion. We've now just shoved under the backs of the successive generations in our country. Do people understand what is about to happen? And if they don't understand, Bill, but let me tell you, if they don't understand, Bill, the Republicans have no one to blame, really, but themselves.
Well, that's right. I mean, Romney's got to go out there and almost shake people by the lapels, and he certainly isn't doing that now. And I just want to say to the audience watching right now, watching Laura and me, we're not talking about you guys. You guys are engaged. Right. I mean, you guys are paying attention.
They're more informed than the average
We're talking about the people watching the World Wrestling Federation.
Yeah, well, Bill, we also have to remember that a lot of the young voters who are trying to wonder, well, how am I going to get a job? How am I going to pay back these student loans? They kind of like Obama, right? He hangs out with them. He seems kind of cool on the stage. He's in a shirt sleeve.
Look, I don't mind if you like. I don't mind that. I just want people to be
I'm saying it's hard to vote against someone you like and you think understands you. So it's incumbent upon Romney to say, but look, I might not be cool enough to hang out with Jay-Z, but I'll tell you what I am going to do. I'm going to raise your expectations, not lower them.
Right.
You need to expect
he's got to get more forceful about it.
Substantive.
Miss Laura, thank you. Directly ahead, Ted Koppel doesn't much like cable news, and he confronts me about the subject, but I do the same thing to him. You see this. Koppel versus O'Reilly. Moments away.
It's gigantic.
It was humongous.
Enormous.
Huge.
That's actually when we switched to Vonage.
The service is great. I don't see any difference with the call quality, or I can just pick up the phone and call.
As many family members as I want. Oh, why did I not do this earlier? I'm Laura Pruden, and this is my last bill.
Before switch to Vonage.
Instead of wasting your money, switch to Vonage now for unlimited international calling for both your...
And then this dress. I really like that one. If I was to pick, this would be the gown that I would pick. Yeah. Okay. For the first time, Lexi is shopping for a dress that she picked, and not one for mom.
While Lexi gets ready to face mom in her own pick, across the salon, after buckling to the pressure to go ball gown, Bride Cara felt like a fish out of water.
I did it.
And is back looking for the perfect mermaid.
Wait, I think I have a dress. This dress is a silk top of the mermaid with a ruche bottom, and it just came in, so there's no way she's tried it on yet.
I love it. Let's go out there and I want my friends and family to like this dress. I may have a new favorite.
I think it's gorgeous. I just got chills up around my leg.
I'm so well. I think everyone loves this dress. I'm crying, her sister's crying. I think that this dress is love it. And that's what I was looking for.
For once, the crowd is actually helping.
I think it's time we jack her